it is Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be doing another Catholic design based on the silver rose. And if you want to know about the story, I'll put it down in the description box down below what this mani is based off of. So let's get started. I painted my nails white, as you can see, but I'm going to go ahead and do another coat to make them opaque. It is the day after Thanksgiving, and I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and everybody's having a safe Black Friday and they're getting a bunch of deals and stuff. You guys can tell me down below, how did your Thanksgiving go? Mine went well, and I'm happy that I got to eat. I ate a lot. I don't know if that's what everybody does in Thanksgiving, but that's what I do, eat a lot. Okay, after I painted my nails white, and now that the white is not dry, it's almost dry, it's kind of tacky, I'm going to take some of this Pro Fusion eyeshadow that I got at Walmart, and I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to take some of that eyeshadow and I'm just going to gently buff it into that almost dry nail polish. You want your nail polish, you know when you put your touch your nail polish and you gotta have a fingerprint in your polish, that's the perfect time for you to rub the eyeshadow in. And now right here I just have a cotton swab just with water on it because this eyeshadow just washes off with just water, so it's really easy to clean around your nail, and I love it. I love using eyeshadow. I think it is so pretty. Now I put eyeshadow on all of my nails, as you can see, except for my ring finger. And now I'm putting on a quick dry top coat just to seal in that eyeshadow. Now why am I putting white eyeshadow on a white nail? Because I have found that if you put white kind of sparkly eyeshadow on white nail polish, it gives this really pretty satin look to it. It's beautiful and I really love it. I don't know if my camera can like totally pick it up, but it is beautiful. Now I'm painting my ring finger with some red nail polish from Born Pretty. It's called Stylish Lily, and it's some beautiful red nail polish. And now that that quick dry top coat has dried, I'm going to go in with my dotting tool and some of that same red nail polish I used on my other nail, and I'm just going to make some dots and I'm going to form them as a rosary so they look like a rosary. And I'm going to take some silver and also add a cross. And now back to my ring finger, I'm going to take my dotting tool and I'm just going to make some kind of, I don't even know how to explain this. I was kind of like thinking like, how am I supposed to write a silver rose on my nail, because I've never done it, but I really wanted to paint my own. I didn't want to use like a decal or anything. So it's kind of like me putting lines around other lines that are shorter and longer. I kind of overlap like longer ones on shorter ones, and then I make a line going down for the stem, and that's how it ended up like looking. And I think it looked pretty good for like my first rose that I've kind of painted on my nail. It was kind of hard, but it was fun. And now on my pinky, I'm just writing a bow with 2 triangles. It's a dot with 2 triangles and then 2 lines going down. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my middle finger. I'm going to do a dot, 2 triangles, and lines going down to make a bow. And then I'm going to take this heart rhinestone that I really like, and before that red nail polish dries, I'm going to stick it to that red nail polish. This heart I'm putting right in the middle of the bow. And I love these bows. I think I've done these bows in other nail designs of mine, and I really enjoy doing red bows. I don't know why, it's one of my favorite things. After that is all the nails are all done. I'm going to put a quick dry top coat on them again just to seal them in. And there you go. There you have it. The silver rose design. Like I said, if you want to know what this stands for, you can look in the description box down below. But it's a very simple design. I really love it. I think it's beautiful. And yeah, you guys can tell me what you think down below. And you can click or tap the screen if you want to see another video. Click or tap the screen to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I'm so thankful for you. Thank you so much. Bye. P.S. My next video is going to be a Christmas mani. Okay, now bye.